In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag and the slow-in problem on Roblox. Hello guys. So all what you have to do to increase the FPS like me, as you can see right now, I have high FPS. Just go to the top corner right here, click here, and then go to settings, and then scroll down. Let's make the volume lower. Scroll down and click on the graphics mode, make it manual, and the graphics quality make it as lower as possible, and then go back right here. And now all what you have to do is just relaunch Roblox and everything is gonna be good, or you can just play without any relaunch. As you can see, please, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.